Things Fall Apart was written in the year 1958, translated in many, very many languages, tried to deal with the impact of colonialism, the impact of Western education, the impact of Christianity, the clash with our tradition, social structure, our values. Distinguished gentlemen, this festival is a week-long festival. What is happening here this afternoon is the formal declaration of the week-long festival. It is going to build up from now till Saturday. It will build to a crescendo when the majestic Ajofia will perform at the grand finale, and when we will hear the keynote speech from our very own Odelowa, Chimamanda Adichie. That will be the crescendo and the high point of this festival. It's my singular honor, declare as the chair of this festival, first of all, commission the village, the mythical Ụmụọfia village open. That's the first one. We put our hands together. And to formally declare this festival open.